Friendly competition wrapped up with lots of hometown heroes and even more Play-Doh.
Amazon employees from Pennsylvania and surrounding states dropped off boxes of Play-Doh at Caitlin Smiles in Harrisburg today. For the 8th year, Amazon workers held a battle of the buildings to see which facility can collect the most cans of Play-Doh. Caitlin Smiles then gives it to hospitals for their young patients.
And we had, all of our departments kind of trying to one-up each other, outbound trying to one-up inbound, and the support teams coming in, so it was really fun.
And we're still getting more. Sites we didn't know participated are now telling us, yes, they did participate, and we're getting new totals every day.
Amazon doing this yearly Play-Doh collection is just incredible. It makes us smile. It makes the children in the hospital smile.
And they collected 50,000 cans of Play-Doh. And Amazon employees also put bags of Smiles kits together. Caitlin Smiles will distribute those as well.
Wow,
Great
effort. Yes, indeed. Yeah.